set the tone when it's just me and you alone. Never lonely in the room, getting slowly when you know me. Yeah, meditate, you can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me, 'cause you know me. Yeah. Lay your head on my pillow, touch is making me feel way. When I get around you, I lose it. 'Cause I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. You make me wanna go deep, intimate, that you really inside. You deserve it, I'm mine, alright. Lay your head on my pillow, say, ooh, touch it. When you touch, you know it's okay. When I get around you, I lose it. 'Cause I feel so comfortable with you.
Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Let me thoughts can't ever wake up alone. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're growing. Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want me. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should hide. Tell me something I ain't heard before. Oh, I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk about where we're going before we get lost? Let me thoughts can't ever wake up now. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just